Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find BSC address in Trust Wallet. So first we need to understand what is BSC address. So it is Binance Smart Chain address. So in order to find it, you first need to launch your Trust Wallet app. Then you need to use the search bar in the top, and here you need to simply search for BNB. Now once you type BNB in the search bar, you will find BNB, that is BNB Smart Chain. So it will be in the black background, so you need to simply tap on it. Now after tapping on it, the interface will look something like this, where in order to find the BSC address, you need to tap on the receive option, and there you go, this is your BNB or the BSC address. So you need to just tap on the copy option in order to copy this address, and now you can use this address in order to receive your BNB in your Trust Wallet account. So if this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.